The final video to fix fatal error crashes in Clair Obscur, Expedition 33. And if you've been struggling with sudden game crashes, you're not alone. Many players face this problem because the game can't always handle certain files or settings, causing it to shut down unexpectedly. You might have seen other tutorials online that are long, confusing, and full of complicated steps that hardly work. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that actually fixes the crash fast. All you need to do is adjust a small setting in your game files, and it stops the error without touching anything else. This method works on most PCs and doesn't require downloads or extra programs. If you want to show a full step-by-step guide, drop a comment below, and I'll make it for you so you can play Clair Obscur, Expedition 33 without interruptions.